If you check Instagram 5 times while studying, this video is for you. Let's fix your focus with AI. Hey guys, welcome to the techvole. 5 AI-powered focus tools. Number 1. Motion. Your personal AI scheduler. Just enter your tasks and Motion builds the perfect schedule for you. No overthinking. Just do. Best for overwhelmed people with tons to do. Number 2. Cold turkey. Block distractions like a boss. If Instagram is your worst enemy, cold turkey shuts it down literally. Set a timer and stay on task. Best for social media addicts. We've all been there. Number 3. Notion AI. Write without losing focus. Writing an essay or project? Let Notion AI help you rephrase, summarize, or brainstorm so you stay in the zone. Best for students, writers, note takers. Number 4. Brain.fm. Music that hacks your brain. This isn't your average playlist. Brain.fm creates sound scientifically designed to help your brain focus. Best for deep work or study sessions. Number 5. ChatGPT. Build a custom focus routine. Tell ChatGPT, build me a focus plan for someone with ADHD, and boom! Instant structure tailored to you. Best for personalized productivity coaching. Focus isn't about willpower anymore. It's about using the right tools. Try these and thank me later. Like and subscribe for more real productivity hacks.